Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Here we go. First question for a Poshmark Q&A. Can you use Poshmark sharing tool on desktop mode on Safari or if you download the Google Chrome app on iPhone? So yes, there is a way to use the Poshmark sharing tool from your phone. Typically it's just a Google Chrome extension that you use on your computer, but there is a way to use it on your phone. You have to download the remote desktop app. Honestly, I've tried it. I can't figure out how to do it. I mean, I can do everything, like you're essentially mirroring your computer on your phone, and I can do that, but I'm not able to do anything on my phone. Like I'm not able to click anything. There must be like a permission that I have to fix or something. I don't know, but I'll link Rachel's Instagram down below. She's a creator of Poshmark sharing tool. I think she has a video on there showing how to do it. Like I said, I still can't figure it out, but I know that it is possible because I have seen her post videos of other people doing it. So yes, you are able to do that, and I'll link her Instagram down below. Okay, next question. I love how you bleach plain pieces to give them some life. Does the bleach clothing seem to do well on eBay and Poshmark? Side note, my son has the same dinosaur PJs. Super cute. So yes, Alicia, I don't know how many times I have had like a plain sweatshirt in my closet. It's just sat there, and then once I bleached it and relisted it, it sold like immediately or within days. Like it's crazy. That has happened so many times. Now when I go to the thrift stores, I look for like plain things. Guys, my eyes are watering so bad right now. The pollen is insane. I had to rinse off our cars yesterday because they were literally yellow. Like my car is black, but it was literally yellow yesterday. It was crazy. So my eyes, when I go to the thrift stores now, I search for more like plain sweatshirts or plain t-shirts that I can just kind of like spruce up. I'm not really good at tie-dyeing. I'm trying to get better at that. Like, I don't know. I don't understand it. Like, I don't know. I need to watch like videos on how to get like swirls and stuff. Like you gotta, roll it and put rubber bands and stuff. So I'm trying to get better at tie-dyeing things, but bleaching things, I love bleaching things. And yes, I feel like they do sell really well. Okay, next question. We're gonna talk about bots again. So I had a couple of people reach out because I guess a couple of like bigger resellers made videos recently or like Instagram stories recently and said that they some of them didn't like come out and say that they use automation, but they were talking about automation and bots, etc., etc. And I got some questions from you guys. This person said, what do you think about the bigger resellers coming out and admitting they use bots? And then I got a long message on Instagram. I was just watching a certain YouTuber's video, the transparency she used about using bots. I have to say I'm pretty disappointed. I feel like pulling my listings off Poshmark and eBay for good. If the bot usage is that high, what is the point? Poshmark isn't really being ethical, saying if they say something is against their terms of service and then they do nothing to enforce that policy. Okay, so let's talk about bots again. So my opinion still stays the same. If it's against Poshmark rules, I'm not gonna do it. And I don't like the whole mentality, like I am above it. Like I make Poshmark so much money, they're not gonna do anything to me. Like a lot of these bigger resellers have that mentality. They think like, oh, because I sell a lot, like I can break the rules. Poshmark's not going to do anything to me. Or the mentality that, well, every other platform allows you to do it, so I'm going to do it. Like that mentality doesn't make sense. Like, oh, everyone else is doing it, I'm going to do it too. It's just because every other platform allows it, like you're going to do it because you think Poshmark should allow it, and Poshmark's going to be like, oh, okay, you're right. Yeah, okay. I don't get that mentality, like the just like arrogant mentality it kind of is. Like I'm so above it, like I'm gonna do this and Poshmark and meh. Anyway, bots are still against Poshmark terms of service. There's no changing that. Poshmark enforces it, but not like they should, I guess. If it's in your terms of service, you should enforce it all the time, not just to certain people. And no matter what anyone says, people are like, well, no one's ever gotten their closet shut down because of it. It's like, yes, they have. I don't know why people lie and say no one's ever gotten in trouble, because it's not true. People have gotten in trouble. People have gotten their accounts suspended, deleted. Like it has happened. So I really think people need to stop spreading false shit around, basically. So yeah, I mean, we could have the bot conversation all day long. Like I don't care what you do in your business. You can do whatever you want to do. I just personally don't think it's smart to do something you're not supposed to fucking do just because you think you should be able to do it. Like, that's so, like, you know what? I'm actually gonna go to a bank and I'm gonna take their money because I think I should have that money. I don't care if it's against the law. I'm going to actually go take that money because I think I should have it. And it would help me out with my business too. So yeah, I'm going to go do that. You know, like, obviously that's a little extreme, but that's the mentality that these resellers have. And it's ridiculous, honestly. But in the end, you can do whatever you want with your business. It's up to you. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm just going to tell you technically what's right and what's wrong in Poshmark's eyes. As far as what do I think about all these resellers coming out and saying that they use bots, I think it's pretty ballsy because, again, they think that they're high and mighty and above all, and they don't think that people will report their closets to Poshmark. You know, like, I don't know. It is pretty ballsy in my opinion. But in the end, they're going to do what they want to do. And my stance still the same. Still stays the same. I mean, it is cheating, essentially. It is. I'm going to play by the rules because that's just the type of person that I am. On the flip side, would it be amazing if we could use automation? Absolutely. I feel like people get that twisted. I think automation would be great. A lot of people don't like sharing. I don't like sharing. I don't like sitting there tapping the share button. And it's funny because I heard one person say, oh, you know, you should be able to do things that will, you know, make you more sales. It's like, on Poshmark at least, sharing is the thing that makes you sales. So anyway, yeah, I think it sucks to share. I don't like sharing. I don't. If we could use automation, I would absolutely use it. But until we're able to use it, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to be that douchebag that does it. And yes, I am calling people douchebags because it is a douchebag move to think that you're high and mighty and you can break the rules and not get caught. I think this is going to be the end of the video because I kind of went off. But yeah, like I said, I could have the bot conversation all day long. But in the end, do what you feel is right for your business. Weigh the pros and cons, weigh what's right and what's wrong. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.